when it is all known, when due process occurs, that I will be fully exonerated and justice will be done.
Celebrity attorney Michael Avenatti is now a defendant facing major criminal charges in Los Angeles and New York. On the East Coast, Avenatti is accused of trying to extort millions of dollars from Nike.
Yeah, and prosecutors in L.A. slammed him with bank and wire fraud charges. Tonight, KCOM's Tom Wade is here with details on those indictments. Tom?
Yes, Susie and Jeff, as you saw in that clip, Avenatti is defiant tonight, and he is charged with embezzlement for allegedly pocketing over $1 million. He was supposed to give a client. The case in New York is much more involved. The feds say he tried to extort over $20 million from the Nike sports apparel company.
For the entirety of my career, I have fought against the powerful.
Michael Avenatti speaking out after his arrest and release in New York on an extortion charge. Prosecutors say they busted him in a scheme to shake down Nike for millions of dollars.
I am highly confident that when all of the evidence is laid bare in connection with these cases, when it is all known, when due process occurs, that I will be fully exonerated.
Prosecutors say Avenatti tried to extort more than $20 million from Nike last week. He allegedly threatened to go public with accusations from an amateur basketball coach claiming Nike was involved in an illegal recruitment scheme. That coach has been identified by CBS News as Gary Franklin, whose listed address is here in Inglewood. No one would come to the door at his home today when we stopped by. Avenatti allegedly demanded $1.5 million for Franklin and as much as $25 million for himself and his co-conspirator. CBS News has learned that co-conspirator is attorney Mark Garagos, known for representing clients like Michael Jackson and most recently Jussie Smollett. U.S. Attorney Jeff Berman.
Avenatti's conduct had nothing to do with zealous advocacy for a client or any other kind of legitimate legal work.
The complaint highlighted phone calls monitored by law enforcement where Avenatti allegedly threatened Nike, saying, "I'm not effing around with this, and I'm not continuing to play games. You guys know enough now to know you've got a serious problem, and it's worth more in exposure to me to just blow the lid on this thing." Avenatti's one-time client, adult film star Stormy Daniels, tweeted tonight that knowing what she knows about Avenatti, she's saddened but not shocked. She says she terminated her relationship with Avenatti about a month ago because of dishonest behavior, though she did not specify any details. Susie.